Distribution of books to students. Ladies and gentlemen, I will now read out the names of the students' books from our chief guest. Nirali from MOP Vaishnav College for Women pursuing her BCom. From Stella Maris College doing her BCom. Dhruv from Triple IT College doing his BTech in Mechanical, pursuing his BCom in Accounts and Finance. Diya from Guru Shri Shanti Jain College for Women pursuing her BCom in Accounts and Finance.
Yuvashri G from KCS Narar College of Women has secured 81% marks in BSc Computer CS. Shriram B from AM Jain College has secured 87.4% in BCA. Institutions and associations.
Vanakkam, Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Jinendra is on and off the dais. विजनरी हमारे सामने बैठे हैं. आज से 63 साल पहले जो विजन उन लोगों ने लिया, आज उस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ RYA, वो RYA Book Bank is not a college, is only a library, book distribution, book lending library. But still they say we are product of RYA Book Bank because we got books from RYA Book Bank. And that is the reason today we are here. Sir, it's pleasure and privilege to be here. I congratulate the entire RYA team for conceptualizing and implementing this meaningful and socially relevant initiative. Education is the most valuable investment that any society can make. While we often speak about providing quality education to our children, we sometimes overlook a simple but very important fact that access to textbook and study materials can be challenged for many students and their families. Even today, the cost of books forms a significant part of education expenses. The RYA Book Bank project addresses this issue in a thoughtful and sustainable manner. This is not a book donation, not more one student, just many students over several years. The true value of a book is realized not when it occupies a shelf, but when it is in the hands of a learner. The Book Bank project also teaches our children some important life values. It encourages them to use resources responsibly, to care for shared property, and to understand that they are part of a larger community. When students return their books in a good condition, they become contributor to another student's success. Thus, every participant becomes both a beneficiary and a benefactor. The very concept of libraries and digital are enabling students to access quality educational resource from anywhere in the world. In the age of technology and artificial intelligence, access to knowledge has become more important than ever before. The RYA Book Bank project beautifully complements these modern developments. It reminds us that while technology may transform the way we learn, the fundamental principle remains unchanged, that education should be accessible, affordable, and inclusive. A shared book can sometimes make a greater impact than an expensive gadget. I believe that the success of this project will not be measured merely by the number of books distributed. Its true success will lie in the number of lives it touches, the confidence it gives to students, and the culture of sharing and responsibility that it creates within our community. I take this opportunity to congratulate all the volunteers, donors, organizers, well-wishers who have contributed their time and effort to make this project a reality. Let us all work together to build a society where no student is deprived of education because of financial constraints and where knowledge is shared generously and responsibly. Thank you once again for inviting me.
On Aarti Chaudhary to introduce our guest. Finally, believes in giving.
Respected dignitaries on and off the dais, it's truly an honor and a privilege to be amongst all of you today for such a noble cause. First of all, I would like to congratulate and bow my head in obeisance to the founding forefathers and visionaries, donors, volunteers who have contributed and conceptualized such a wonderful altruistic. It's not a project, it's basically an investment into dreams, hope, and the future of our society.
Of London.
Guest at the head table, distinguished person.
यूज भी नहीं कहता है
It's a great pleasure to join you today at the 63rd annual book distribution function of the Rajasthan
क्या उसने क्या था ना
Sincere appreciation to the President, Mr. Vivek Bum,
कौन से टीचर के
Secretary, Mr.
बैठ के बोल
Vikas, into a truly inspiring initiative. Education is one of the most powerful investments we can make in the future. By ensuring that financial constraints do not become barriers to learning, the Rajasthan Youth Association has empowered generations of students to pursue their dreams and contribute meaningfully to society. Such efforts deserve our highest appreciation.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring and thought-provoking address.